How to create account on OkCupid. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the OkCupid application on your device and tap on the Join OkCupid option you see there. Further, you will be required to enter your email, so go ahead and enter your email and tap on Next. You will then be required to enter your first name. So go ahead and enter your first name and tap on Next, and then select the location that you currently live in. You can also enter it manually. Further, select your gender and the gender that you want to date and tap on Next, and then enter your date of birth and tap on Next again. You will then be required to create a password, so go ahead and create a password and tap on sign up, and with this you will be signed into OkCupid. You will further be asked with a few questions, and you will also be needed to enter your photos in order for the signing in process. Once entered, you will also be required to tell a few summary about yourself, so write a little about yourself and tap on Next. Also, fill in the questions asked, and when prompted, sign in using your mobile number and verify your mobile number. Once verified, you will be successfully signed in to OkCupid. So this is how you can create an account on OkCupid. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.